Hi everyone, I'm back with part 2 of the 12-pound box of jewelry from shopgoodwill.com. So I'm just going to get these out of the way. There was a bunch of packaged pieces in this box, and a lot of them were the same. You could see there's multiples of these. So this was a bracelet with some flower design, and that one says genuine lucite made in China. And then there's a bunch of these from made in Philippines. They're earrings. I think this is wood. And then some of these gold tone chains with little anchor to toggle clasp. And then this one is stretchy bracelet. There's like a ribbon going through it, and I think these are plastic beads. Okay, so this one's a bracelet, stretchy silver tone with some black enamel. And another bracelet here. This one is 3 layers, gold tone, some faux pearls, the fold over clasp, and it has a charm here. Okay, another bracelet with stretches. There's also 2 lobster claw clasps. And this one's a necklace on a suede cord, the silver tone heart, and looks like there's a tag on this one. So that's for Leah Sophia. Okay, another bracelet here, stretchy bracelet, and I think this one's a stone. It has the dragon vein, some glass beads. Okay, this one is a bracelet, a little cake here, and there's a tag on that. It says charm it. Yeah, charm it. Okay, here's a cuff bracelet, the leaf design and some rhinestones. Has a little bit of wear, I think. Oh yeah, it's also bent here. Okay, this one's a necklace, some glass beads, and a toggle clasp. Another necklace here. This one has green glass beads, and let's see, these are little frogs. I don't see any tags on that. Okay, this one's a long chain, gold tone chain necklace. Here's the clasp, and I don't see any marks on that. No, it's just a little bit of green coming out. Gonna have to clean that off. It's a really nice chain though. Okay, another chain. It's like a rainbow ball chain. And here's a necklace. It's really long with some plastic beads. Nice purple color. And here's the clasp. I don't see any tags on that. Another necklace here. Some pink enamel and rhinestones. Okay, this one is a bracelet. Some rhinestones and an adjustable cord. Another adjustable bracelet. Has a mark here. I think just 4 little dots. I'm not sure if that's a maker's mark or not. Okay, this one is toggle clasp, silver tone. There's a lot of wear on that. And a roll-on bracelet. This one is, I think it's glass beads. There's 2 layers. And there is a tag on that. So that one says Monet. Okay, necklace, the large rhinestone. Bracelet with a cross. Another bracelet, this one's stretchy, some plastic beads, and some hearts. Okay, this one's a faux pearl necklace, a hook, a gold tone chain. There's no mark on that. Another bracelet. This one doesn't stretch. Oh, here's a fold over clasp. There's a little bit of wear on that. And I don't see any marks in there. Friendship bracelet. Okay, so this one's a necklace, gold tone. The fold over clasp here. And there is a mark on that. That one's for Monet. Okay, this one's a necklace. The clasp here is different than the chain. There's a pendant here. It's like a brown cat eye. There's a lot of wear on the back. And this one's a little purse. And it looks like it opens. Let's see. Okay, so there's a magnetic clasp. And I do see a tag here. That one says, is it VCLM? Okay, bracelet with a toggle clasp, some glass beads. This one is gold tone chain, the faux pearl angel. Hair clip. This one's silver tone necklace. Looks like it's broken here. Some tassels. And I don't see any tags on that. Looks like it does have some wear right here. I think this one is a choker, some glass beads, and a toggle clasp. Okay, another necklace here. Some gold tone leaves and some pink beads. Another necklace. Then this one's a gold tone cross, some rhinestones. Just a chain, might have broken off of something. Okay, this one's a necklace. See the rhinestone. And I think there's a tag on here. Okay, so that one says Leah Sophia. Another chain. Gold tone necklace. This one, I guess there's 3 layers here. So it's a little tangled, but I think it goes something like this. See, I don't see any tags on that. Another necklace here. And here's another necklace. Pendant. I think there's crystals in there. See, there's a mark back here. And that is 925. See if there's any marks on the clasp. It looks like there is also a 925 stamp right here on the chain. Okay, and this little bracelet, gold tone chain. Another chain. Then this one is, it's a necklace, some charms. Okay, another little necklace here. It's 2 layers, like a blue teardrop and some rhinestones. And I don't see any tag on that. Okay, another chain. Okay, and there's a little necklace here, some rhinestones, and see, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe glass. No tags on that. Okay, now we have some rings. So here is gold tone flower, stretchy with some rhinestones. And this one looks like a men's ring. It says United States Navy. I don't know if there's any, there's kind of a mark in here. I'm not sure if I can make that out. It looks like it's only halfway stamped. Don't see anything else in there. Okay, another stretchy ring, some sequins, and this is rose gold. gold tone. And then this one, silver tone, looks like maybe a toe ring. Adjustable silver tone ring. This one's really lightweight. Has a diamond cuts in it. Don't see any marks in there. And then here's another ring. I think this one's also a men's ring, maybe a band. Some rhinestones here. And don't see any marks in that. Okay, here's another ring. Looks like it's missing some pieces. But I do see a mark in there. Okay, so one side says Hong Kong, and then there's also like a little mark next to it. And then this side says 858, and then there's a 14K right underneath. I don't know if you're able to see it, but kind of make out where it says 14K right there. Okay, but it is missing some pieces. Okay, so next we have some brooches. This one's gold tone. There is a mark in that. So that one's for Monet. Gold tone leaf. Still in really good condition. It looks like it could be vintage. And this one is looks like potted plant. Some pieces missing here. Some rhinestones, and I think it's like the gunmetal color. Gold tone heart. This one's really cute. It's a sailboat with the anchor. It's articulated, hanging down on this little chain. And I don't see any marks on that. Okay, this one, silver tone. And again, no marks on that one. Here's stick pin with the fleur-de-lis. And I think this one's gold tone, but has some wear. You can see the finish coming off on that one. No marks on that. And this one's really pretty. It's flower, gold tone. Don't see any marks on that one. Some rhinestones. Silver tone looks like flowers, and again, this one looks like it could be vintage. It's a red hat. And this one's really heavy. It looks like the pin's a little bit bent. I don't see any marks on that one. Okay, this one's a little spinning wheel. Has some rhinestones in there, different colors. Little poodle. Another gold tone heart. This one is like a golf themed. Some enamel, and don't see a mark on that. Leprechaun with the shamrock. Okay, this one, I guess it's plastic. Gold tone in the back. And that one's also vintage. I think, yeah, there is a mark on that. Up here, I think it says Weiss, W-E-I-S-S. Another flower. Okay, this one is fabric with some buttons. And little bow. I think, yeah, there's some rhinestones down here. That one's really pretty. And I think there's a name on that. Looks like Avon. Another flower, silver tone with some blue rhinestones. This one's pretty. It's a little cameo and gold tone. Don't see any marks in there. It's a gold and black enamel. And that one says, I think it's Trifari. Another stick pin. This one's a key, or part of a key. It's like the middle's missing. I think it's supposed to be that way though. Okay, another stick pin. It's like a flower painted on, I think it's like a piece of bone maybe. Okay, another cameo. It's a little bit bent. You could kind of see something's, it's like not sitting straight. It's really pretty. It's a nice color. Okay, another pin. Here's it's really cute. It's a telephone. Rotary phone. It has a little chain hanging down. Oh, there's the name on that. For Avon. Okay, another brooch. Flowers. Feels like some sort of resin. Flower. Looks like it has a little bit of wear on the back. The front's still nice. Silver tone with some rhinestones. And this pin. this one, I think maybe a pendant. Silver tone cross with rhinestones. Okay, here's a bunch of charms and pendants. We have some keys. Here's a large glass. Okay, and then here are some crowns. And there's a pair of these. So these might have been earrings. I think maybe plastic. Well, there's another one of these. There's 3 of these. And then 2 pineapples. Flower. And really pretty heart. Looks like a locket, like a heart locket. And also this little purple, I guess pendant here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a break here. We still have all the earrings to go through, so we'll continue on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.